You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel for more learning. How do you say it? Numb. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here, and yes, you've heard this correctly. A silent B there. Don't worry about the B, just ignore it. Numb. Numb. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.